I'm Miss Ruby Hart, and I'm here to share a story. The Nightingale and the Rose. It is said that long ago the nightingale could not sing. He simply squawked. One hot summer's day he saw a beautiful white rose and fell instantly in love. From that day he was inspired to sing. It is believed that the flower would only open her petals when she heard the nightingale's song. The pair were so in love that the little bird hugged the white rose so tightly a thorn stabbed through his heart, sadly killing him. However, Nightingale's blood splashed the rose, turning her white petals red. Thus she stayed for the rest of her days.